Did you know that frankincense, known as the king of oils, has been celebrated for centuries for its extraordinary health benefits and soothing properties? Hi, I'm Lynn Gines. I believe in uplifting families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. Grab your mom's guide to essential oils for a fantastic free resource on using essential oils. It's the ultimate reference for quick tips and easy recipes for those who prefer natural solutions. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for joining me today as we explore in the incredible benefits of frankincense. If I were stranded on an island and only could have one oil, it would be this one, the king of all oils. In our modern world, many of us face issues like stress, skin problems, pain, inflammation, and more. The root cause of many diseases is cellular malfunction caused by DNA damage. CPTG Premium Frankincense Essential Oil is a proprietary blend of resins from 4 species of boswellia trees. This powerful oil supports healthy cellular function, nourishes the skin, and creates a calming atmosphere. Frankincense oil provides a comforting, uplifting aroma and helps maintain healthy skin when applied topically. It's highly researched and recognized on PubMed for its benefits. It stands out as the most complex essential oil, containing over 600 compounds, whereas most essential oils typically have around 100 to 150 compounds. Preclinical research suggests it promotes healthy cellular function and helps reprogram damaged DNA. I can't share all the benefits of frankincense without sharing a story or two. One of my friends was suffering from severe winter blues. She found that by putting just 2 drops of frankincense under her tongue, within 20 minutes, she felt a noticeable shift in her body, experienced a sense of calm and peace. Another story is from my own personal experience. I had an intense skin condition and had already undergone surgery to remove it from 2 places on my face. A year later, I noticed the same issue appearing on another part of my face. At that time, I was learning about the power of frankincense and decided to put it to the test. I carried around frankincense with me and applied it topically about 5 times a day for 2 weeks. I was happily surprised to see that all the signs of this serious skin condition completely disappeared. I never ended up needing surgery again. It's been 15 years since, and it has not returned. I couldn't be happier with the king of oils. Use it in your skincare routine. Diffuse it in your home or office. Apply it topically on areas of discomfort. Put a couple drops under your tongue, or take it internally in a veggie cap to experience its full range of benefits. We often say, when you don't know what essential oil to use frankincense. I encourage you to enhance your health and well-being with the ancient power of CPTG Frankincense Essential Oil. Try it today and discover the king of oils for yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, everyone. Until next time.